Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to get different fonts on YouTube video title. Follow these easy steps to easily use fancy letters for your YouTube video title. And as you can see right now, I'm on my iPhone. You can follow these same steps on your Android phone, and also you can follow these steps on your computer. First of all, I'm going to my YouTube and going to my channel and tapping on manage video. And as you can see, this is my video and current title text is default text. Now let's edit this video first. So I'm tapping on three dot, tapping on edit. And first of all, I'm copying my current video title text. Now go ahead and launch a browser, and all you have to need, search for fancy text. And here you will find lots of website. I'm going to open this first one, and in this normal text box, I'm pasting my title normal text. And here we can see lots of fancy text. I'm going to selecting this line or this text for my title. So I'm selecting the text and tapping on copy. Going back to my YouTube video editing page, and here replacing my title text and just tapping on save. And as you can see, my YouTube video title has been changed. So this is how we can easily get different fonts for our YouTube video title. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.